Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. This is the lightweight sport bike that started it all with the lightweight bikes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled 250, low seat height, super easy to learn how to ride. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true. This low price is $22.99. This bike is just checked out in our service department. She's in perfect condition. Everything works beautifully. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.